Your company manufactures widgets. You have 1000 digital photos of the widgets and needs to identify the location of the widgets within the photos. What should you use? The options are A. Computer vision image analysis, B. Custom vision object detection, C. Custom vision classification, D. Computer vision spatial analysis. The correct option is custom vision object detection. Custom vision object detection is the appropriate choice for identifying the location of widgets within the photos. This service allows you to train a model to recognize specific objects, in this case, widgets, in images and provides bounding boxes around those objects. Cultural denigration is a violation of which Microsoft responsible AI principle? Select the correct option. The options are A. Transparency, B. Fairness, C. Inclusiveness, D. Accountability. The correct option is inclusiveness. Cultural denigration undermines the principle of inclusiveness as it fails to respect and value diverse cultures and perspectives. Inclusiveness aims to ensure that AI systems treat all individuals and cultures fairly and without bias, promoting respect and understanding among different groups. You need to track multiple versions of a model that was trained by using SEO machine learning. What should you do? The options are A. Explain the model, B. Provision an inference cluster, C. Register the training data, D. Register the model. The correct option is register the model. To track multiple versions of a model trained using SEO machine learning, you should register the model. Model registration allows you to keep track of different versions of your models along with metadata about each version, making it easier to manage and deploy specific versions as needed. Which all languages can you use to write custom code for Azure Machine Learning Designer? Select two correct options. The options are A. Scala, B. R C C#, D. Python. The two correct options are R and Python. You can use R and Python to write custom code for Azure Machine Learning Designer. These languages are commonly used in data science and machine learning for implementing custom algorithms and processing data within the Azure machine learning environment. What are the tasks that can be performed by using computer vision? Select two correct options. The options are A. Translate text between languages, B. Predict stock prices, C. Detect brands in an image, D. Detect the color scheme in an image, E. Extract key phrases. The two correct options are detect brands in an image and detect the color scheme in an image. Detect brands in an image involves recognizing and identifying brand logos or products within visual content, which is a key capability of computer vision. Detect the color scheme in an image refers to analyzing the colors present in an image, which is also a task suited for computer vision techniques. Which of the following terms will you correctly use for data values that influence the prediction of a model? Select the correct option. The options are A. Features, B. Labels, C. Dependent variables, D. Identifiers. The correct option is features. In the context of machine learning, features refer to the data values or attributes that influence the prediction of a model. They are the input variables used to train the model. Which of the listed scenarios is an example of a web chat bot? Select the correct option. The options are: A. Translate into English questions entered by customers at a kiosk so that the appropriate person can call the customers back. B. Accept questions through email and then route the email messages to the correct person based on the content of the message. C. From a website interface, answer common questions about scheduled events and ticket purchases for a music festival. The correct option is from a website interface, answer common questions about scheduled events and ticket purchases for a music festival. This scenario describes a web chat bot because it involves interacting with users through a web interface to provide answers to their questions in real time. An app that analyzes social media posts to identify their tone is an example of which type of natural language processing (NLP) workload? Select the correct option. The options are: A. Entity recognition, B. Key phrase extraction, C. Sentiment analysis, D. Speech recognition. The correct option is sentiment analysis. An app that analyzes social media posts to identify their tone is performing sentiment analysis, which is a type of natural language processing (NLP) workload focused on determining the emotional tone behind a series of words. This helps in understanding the attitudes, opinions, and emotions expressed in the text. You are planning to train a model that classifies images of bananas and apples based on a collection of your own digital photographs. Which SEO service should you use? The options are: A. SEO bot service, B. Computer vision, C. Custom vision. The correct option is custom vision. Custom vision is the SEO service designed for creating custom image classification models. It allows you to train a model using your own labeled digital photographs, in this case, images of bananas and apples, to classify and recognize those specific objects effectively.